Good morning everyone. My name is Aditya of class 10 CBSE. I am explaining about functions of kidney. It is a real kidney. It has been stored in the methanol acid. It is also known as formaldehyde acid. It is the dummy model of a functions of kidney. It is a heart, for example. It is a body organ. As heart pumps the blood in our body, it will also pump the heart in this. As it is pumping here, the impure blood is transferred to the kidney. It is a Bowman's capsule, founded and discovered by Bowman. His name was Bowman. The impure substance is transferred in the Bowman's capsule. All the toxic substance present in the impure blood is collecting here, and pure substance is going back again to the human body. All the toxic substance are going to the urinary bladder through urethra. Hmm. The impure the impure blood is also known as deoxygenated blood, and the im- urinary bladder, and some major causes reasons for kidney failure is hypertension, blood sugar level high, and restriction of blood and injury to the kidney, and etc. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Selena. It is a setup of dialyzing machine. When the person is suffering from kidney failure, it allows the urea and other waste substances to build up in the blood, and even the amount of water is also not regulated properly, which this may cause a death to the person when the person is not treated immediately. And the person it is treated periodically with the machine called the dialyzing machine. It is also known as the kidney machine, and the dialysis it is the procedure of purification of blood and the separation of waste substances in our body, and the procedure of dialyzing machine will be explained by my friend Stuti. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Stuti Mema. Today, I am going to explain about how does dialyzing machine works. This is the hand of a person who is suffering from kidney failure. His kidneys cannot excrete, so we have to do the dialyzing process. Here are the two tubes, syringe connected to his hands, one to the artery and another to the vein. When this blood flows from the artery to this dialyzing machine, it contains the dialyzing solution. After the completion of dialysis, it will get accumulated here. These are the two pipes which passes the waste products by these two tubes. These are the excretion of urine, chemicals, and the other waste products. The blood, which is clean and the fresh, which will passes through this pipe, and it will contain the concentrated solution, passes through the osmosis process and back to the vein of a person who is suffering from kidney. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Anusha from class 10th. Here I am explaining about CPR. CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Cardio means heart, pulmonary means lungs, resuscitation means revival means restarting. If the person is suffering from cardiac arrest means heart attack, and it is if the person is also not breathing properly, we can do the chest compression. In the middle of the chest we can keep our hand like this. We should not bend our shoulders and should keep our hand and do 30 compressions, 30 compression in the, and we should in 2 inches inside the body, 2 inches inside the body, and do 30 compressions, and the body will alive. And we will also do mouth to mouth compressions. And if the person is infected any diseases or allergy, we should not do the mouth to mouth compressions. First we will pinch the person. If the person is responding to us, we should not do the CPR. If the person is not responding, then only we should do the CPR. Thank you.
Afternoon. I am Pragati. I am explaining about steps for performing the CPR. CPR means cardiopulmonary resistance. When it is recommended for those who are not able to breathe in a normal rhythm, or abnormal breathing, or who are collapsed suddenly, or are in unconscious. The hand position should be in the middle of the chest, and the hand position should be this, like we should do 30 compressions, from which the blood will go to the vital organs like brain and all others, the airways, and afterwards we should repeat the process until the ambulance comes, and after every compression the chest should come in the normal position, and the rate of compression is 100 to 120 compression, and at least the heart should go 2 inches down. Thank you, sir.